Line crossing detection or intrusion detection is a function of your DVR, NVR or IP camera. What it does is instantly detect any motion in a certain location, set by you. It will send immediate alerts directly to your smart device if it does detect motion in the specified region. The process is simple. Just locate the area you want to enable line crossing detection at, and highlight it on the video feed. Now, just like an invisible trip wire, this virtual line will alert you if there is activity in that location. There are also sensitivity settings that you can adjust to meet your needs. For example, you may not want to know when a small animal crosses the line. In this instance, you would adjust the scale to measure for larger objects. Now you won't be getting notified for that harmless cat running across your yard. Central Jersey Security Cameras hopes you have a better understanding of line crossing detection and the benefits it could provide for any home or business owner interested in security camera systems.